Hi, vanakkam everybody. So, very good morning to all ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to each one of you who made your very pleasant presence for this August event. First, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Venkatesan, one of the founders of Hera Weeping Stores Private Limited. Professionally, I'm a landscape architect, one of the reputed landscape consultants in the country. And first of all, I would like to put in my congratulations and appreciation for my friend and colleague and co-founder, Mr. Radhakrishnan, for his path-breaking initiative and a futuristic vision of creating a possibility of emphasizing and encouraging women's intimate hygiene and wellness through our brand Ashpur, which is India's first women's exclusive secret and intimate wellness store, having a wide range of innovative and premium products. He is a dynamic personality and a renowned figure in the field of finance and insurance industry. I would like to say that without him and his vision, this meeting and event is not a possibility. Also, I have great pleasure in warmly welcoming our chief guest, Ms. Alia Manasa, a leading personality in the acting and glamour industry, was consented to launch our exclusive wellness products for women. And I think this is a very apt event for Ms. Alia to just represent ourselves for the uniqueness of the women and their wellness. And also, I would like to welcome the franchisee partners and their families who have registered for the event and thanking them for the great initiative in being a part of our vision for women empowerment. Also, I'd like to welcome the press and media fraternity also in being supportive of our goal and mission. Our mission in Ashpur, with a short note, I would like to say this. So, our basic Ashpur mission is to embrace the essence of divine femininity by encouraging self-love and confidence through premium, sustainable, and affordable hygiene and wellness. We aim to inspire women to be an exclusive part of this journey through our women entrepreneurship program. Popularly, we call it as Fempreneur movement. So we call it as a movement because we don't look this as a just a business activity or a commercial activity. Rather, our main aim is to just to evolve this as a movement. When you say as a movement, this has to reach top to bottom to lengthen with east and west in all directions. So the main aim is to inspire the women to be an exclusive part of this journey through our women entrepreneurship program. Popularly, we call it as a Fempreneur movement, guided by our expert team of this business model and aided through MSME financial support program available for the self growth of women. And I also like to welcome the officials from MSME department, Mr. Yusuf and his colleague, and who is here to just give us record inputs how the MSME support program can be well used for the women entrepreneurship program. And this is an opportunity for all women. So though this is an exclusive women product, our main aim is to just to be taken through by individual women as part of their own development, other than their part of their personal wellness and care. Also, I'd like to extend my sincere welcome to all the Ashpurians, my colleagues, who are always more than ready to lend their support to make this event happen. And finally, my sincere gratitude to one and all present here and for the divine, for the blessings to make this event and this Ashpa moment a great success story and as an exemplifying entity in the industry. I wish you a wonderful day and future ahead, everybody.